What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome. This is Oscar Ramos, my fellow crypto holders. About a week ago, I asked you on YouTube, what's your favorite way to make money in 2022? NFTs, staking, crypto mining, and much more. And guess what? A number one choice, it went cryptos. It's like the classic OG mentality. When you buy low, you sell high after it moon. And I was like, that's so true. People want to find the good cryptocurrencies so they sell it and make a lot of money in this new year. But now what we're seeing in the market is totally the opposite. Not that the crypto projects are bad, but it's just the timing. People not getting right in time. You probably came in 2020, 2021, and you enjoyed that bull season, but right now we're in the totally opposite. So we're waiting for March 10 for the end of tapering. We're waiting for what's happening in geopolitical space and more issues across the globe. But what are those cryptocurrencies that you and I can buy right now to make a lot of money, hold, and later on explode by selling them and make that money in 2022? So sit down, relax, enjoy the show, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking. I'm going to tell you my opinions on those cryptocurrencies because I've been looking at them for a while and you guys gotta see it. Let's go. Take a look at this NFT, staking, yield farming, and even mining in a number one place with more than 70%. It's cryptos. It's like the classic OG, right? We don't like to miss those because that's honestly how a lot of people became very rich in 2 years ago, 1 year ago, Dogecoin millionaire, right? And many more. So we're having these, everybody, on CoinMarketCap, 1.81 trillion. Under 2 trillion. Guys, I cannot believe it, but it's just, again, we're coming down. No worries. I'm not panicked. You shouldn't panic. It's just like, again, we're given this opportunity, in my opinion, to buy super low. Look at Bitcoin, 40,000. Look at Ethereum, 2,700. Look at all of these prices, right? Like, what an amazing gift. Imagine going back just 2-3 years ago when Bitcoin wasn't even at 20K. But now we're having this gift. What are we going to do about it? Well, the top cryptos to buy, everybody, I'm just going to say this as a disclaimer. Always, if you're a beginner, I have no idea what's going on, Bitcoin, number one choice, because it's the less volatile, proven that's going to succeed later on. Passing 50, 100,000 in the future. There's a lot of bullish, a lot of bulls, a lot of smart people, way smarter than yours truly. And we know that's going to happen. So if you want something better than the S&P 500, if you want something better than your classic stocks, Bitcoin is the way to go. If you're a beginner, if you don't want to mess with cryptos, you just want to be involved but not that involved, Bitcoin will be your choice. Now, you want to get a little bit more advanced, Ethereum, because that's an internet in a blockchain. Ethereum, number one. Number two choice, if you really don't want to mess too much. Now, when we have Bitcoin, when we have Ethereum, these are the classic OGs. You cannot go wrong with them. I personally own the two of them, and I'm getting very good APY. Check the link down below. Now, what are those now top altcoins that we want to make sure we getting? Now, note, recently in my channel, we've been talking a lot about Chronos and Crowcoin and Tectonic and VBS Finance. So I'm not going to mention those because you guys probably already know them. So yeah, crypto.com is a must. In my opinion, I need to own way more because I know it's going to explode later on. We can pass Binance, pretty bullish. Some people on YouTube saying $144 or 20 something dollars. I'm just saying, we're going to get to $1. Let's pass that dollar. And after we pass the dollar, we can sit down, relax, and analyze what's happening later. Conservative. I love it. Okay. So that being said, these are the top cryptos. I need to give you that info, guys, because you deserve the truth and you deserve transparency. Now, number one, everybody, Cardano. Cardano is one that I just liked a lot. The project, maybe as an investment, it's not the best. And here's the difference. You're watching me right now. Understand this difference, please. We have the investment asset, which is Cardano or ADA, the coin, and we have Cardano, the project. Now, the project, oftentimes, I love it, man. That's the first thing I gear towards, the project, what they do, how it looks, the founders, the development, the community. That, to me, excites me. The price, this as an investment, that's another thing played by whales, heavily manipulated. So when I'm telling you Cardano as a top altcoin, I'm leading with the project but as an investment later on in the future, you and I know it will do well. I'm not telling you that it's going to go $100. I'm just telling you it will do well. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. Cardano. Number 2, Algorand. Because here it is, 26. Algorand, I will categorize it as a runner-up of Cardano. It's another one that wants to beat up Ethereum, and it's led by Silvio Micali. Liked it really a lot. I'm personally invested in Algorand and in Cardano. I have a couple thousands of dollars. These two are fast blockchains that charge you very small fees for little things. They have DeFi capabilities. They have NFT capabilities. The blockchain, you can build dApps, ecosystems, metaverses. Really, really good. And the tokenomics on Algorand, less than 10 billion when you see the circulating supply and everything. Honestly, guys, Algorand, super kudos. Cardano, super kudos. What else? Here's when we're starting to talk about Metaverse, Decentraland, and right here, Sandbox. I'm going to pack this in one spot. So one spot, second spot, Algorand, third spot will be Decentraland and Sandbox. Look, the investments as price may not look so attractive right now at $2.347, but what's happening behind the scene and inside the blockchain, are you kidding me? Like these blockchains, I mean, these NFTs are going very expensive. I don't own an NFT on Sandbox because it's pretty expensive. It's built on Ethereum, right? You buy it on OpenSea. What I'm doing is I'm buying somewhat a similar Metaverse, but on Cardano because it's cheaper. It's like the runner-up because I was late. You're probably late if you don't have any Sandbox or so. You can still buy it right now, but it's not the same. It's just beautiful, man. It is what cryptocurrency is all about. Next, we have Cardano, Algorand. We have Sandbox and Decentraland. Number 4, honestly, guys, on this one, I'm going to say Helium. Now, why Helium, Oscar? Well, I have a deep connection with Helium because I have one, which I'm looking at right now. It's a miner. I'm mining as we speak. I'm making money as I speak, as I sleep. And I'm answering questions to my patrons who sign up on the Patreon link down below. So they join on Discord and we go and have a great community. That's one of the big selling points, in my opinion, because I'm learning so much about Helium. What it is a cryptocurrency, as you're seeing at $24, but you put a Helium miner in your home and you're earning Helium as you speak, and you can buy more miners and put them different houses and create your own network and make a lot of money. So that is Helium, and I'm very bullish. It was almost $60. Now it's less than that, of course. So I think it's a great opportunity, and it's not a scam, and it's gonna do very well. And to end it up pretty nicely, everybody, not to take too much time, but it's just so many great opportunities. And these are projects, again, not mentioning Crypto.co and other ones, that are just amazing, will do well, and the community is super behind it. And to end up with this, guys, I'm going to do Terra Luna and Cosmos. I do not have any money invested on these two, but Cosmos on Osmosis, DeFi, they're killing it. So you have to know about that. Cosmos as a chain, as a blockchain, it's a good project. And Terra Luna is another one that's killing it too with its USDT, which is it's right here. I mean, well, it's much higher. Here it is 16. It's been growing. I mean, it's already higher than crypto.com. USDT, Terra Luna, do not sleep on this, my friends. Wow. So there you guys have it. If you were busy, if you were bored during this weekend or these days, now you have something to think about, right? Cryptocurrency is great. All of the prices are amazing. So I'm not gonna give you technical analysis because these are cheap prices. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on those notification bell, check all the links down below for free Bitcoin stocks. Isn't this an amazing time to be in crypto, everybody? We'll do well. We just got in a little bit late if you got in 2021. Let's wait for the next bull cycle. Peace.